Hi guys, Bodie here from McCormack's Auto Service at Sandgate. Just want to talk to you today about a hot water shower system we've installed on a 200 series Landcruiser. Over here we've got a flow jet pump, which is the suction side. Just a simple clipper on the hose here. Then you come along here and you run the hose from your vehicle all the way down to the freshwater creek or dam. Guys, you need to obviously run it through freshwater. Salt water will destroy the pump. So freshwater is the only option, and who wants to shower in salt water, right? We've got like a stainless steel, like gauze type filter here. We can supply them also. And this stops mud, sand, all kind of landscape stuff going into the actual pump of the vehicle. We've got the Glide hot water heat exchanger. This runs through the actual cooling system of the vehicle. So coolant runs through the exchanger, and obviously the hotter the vehicle, the hotter the water that comes out. So sometimes it can be too hot, so sometimes you just need to run the vehicle a bit longer as it cools down, or if you need the shower warmer, you have to bring the RPM up. So you plug in, plug out on this side. That's where your water comes out of. Straight to a little switch to turn it on and off. Indicates green that it's on. You've got unlimited hot water as long as your car's running. Unlimited hot water, guys. And you're out in the elements. Call McCormack's Auto on 3269 3294 if you'd like a quote on this product. Thanks guys.